and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we are drawing something super fun and easy, a cute hot chocolate cup. But that's not all. There's more fun waiting for you. Stick around for a cool fun fact and a free coloring page of this drawing. I'll show you how to get it soon. Did you know, in ancient times, people used clay or wooden cups to drink hot chocolate because they didn't have mugs like we do today. You're doing an amazing job. Remember, it's okay if your lines aren't perfect. Mine aren't always either. That's what makes art fun. Imagine who you would draw this for, maybe as a gift for your best friend, a surprise for someone in your family, or just for someone who loves colorful art as much as you do. Now that our cup is drawn, it's time to bring it to life with colors. And here's something exciting. This exact drawing is available as a free coloring page for you to download. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. I love how this color is making the chocolate look so warm and delicious. Let's make this cup extra cute with a splash of pink. It's going to look so cheerful and cozy, perfect for holding our yummy hot chocolate. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to download the free coloring page linked in the description. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring as many times as you Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more drawing adventures. See you next time.